So hello everybody, welcome back to another how to tutorial, and today we're doing Lovable.dev. So Lovable.dev is a app builder that lets you create full stack web apps, and yes, that includes landing pages. So just by describing what you want, it uses a chat based interface and also integrates with like tools like Supabase and can deploy directly to Vercel. Now think of it as like having a developer, designer, and copywriter rolled into one, and only it works instantly. Now, so when you log in and you land on a clean, minimal dashboard, all you need to do is describe your landing page in a few sentences. Something like a landing page for a fitness app with hero image and, features, action, and email sign up. Then hit enter and boom, and, Lovable generates a fully structured page. And it's as easy to use as ChatGPT for full-blown website. So I did just that. So I just copy a prompt here, so I did it earlier because so we wouldn't be be stuck generating this landing page. So I said landing page for a fitness app with hero image and feature section and email sign up. There we go. It already created it, and also you can copy the raw code for it so you can make it on your own or you want to edit something. So I see here I have my fit polls. You can start free trial, learn more, feature testimonial and stuff like that. There's also pricing, which isn't done yet, but you can say that to Lovable.dev to add those features. Let's say add testimonials, add features, then pricing features page, and the pricing page. There we go. Now it's going to edit this and add the pricing page for it. So we're just gonna wait for a bit. So it's gonna work on the app itself, and it's working now, and it's creating it here. So it will add two new page components, features and pricing, and add routes to these pages in the app TSX. So it started. It's already starting with the new components and stuff like that. So I see here it's already generating. So here is the code, the HTML code it's doing. So here's the features page. Now here's the pricing page. As you see here, it's already making it. So it's pretty cool. Now, the key features here, AI generated layout and content, as you can see, editable sections like the hero, testimonial, and facts. And there's also here the built-in assistant for, live edits and Supabase support for forms and email capture. Mobile responsiveness baked in, and also easy one-click deployment to Vercel if you want that. So I see here, it already made the code here. So we have our features and pricing. It's already writing it. It's not done yet, but it's gonna update the nav bar component so you can include the links yet. So I see here it's already making it. There's also a mobile menu, so we can change from desktop to mobile like this. So it's pretty cool. So I see here it's saving the changes right here. So here are the edited files. So I see here features work, testimonial work, pricing works. Testimonial is a bit bugged, but that's okay. Pricing is already here. You can switch to mobile, so that's pretty cool. Now, you can fine tune every part of this. Let's say I want it to be more navy blue than blue. So can you fix the testimonial page? The link is not working, and also change it to navy blue. So we're going to customize this. So I see here, Lovable itself is gonna code this, so you don't need to code it yourself like this. And you just have to do this by typing on AI, and it's gonna make it for you. So it's writing the testimonial section to the homepage and fix the link in the nav bar, and they're gonna make it a navy blue color scheme. So I see here it's making the testimonial page. Then it's gonna change the color in a bit. So there we go. Source pages. It's gonna change it to navy blue. I'm just gonna update the index to include the thing. Now it's updating the config file to make the website look like navy blue. So yeah, you can just like you want a new color scheme, new headline, add a pricing table, just ask, no code needed. So once you're happy with it, you can deploy instantly and connect even your own domain. But there's like even more steps there because you need to buy your own domain. So I see here it's navy blue pricing. Testimony is still broken, but that's okay. You have features here, so that's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. And who is Lovable for? So the use cases for Lovable.dev is perfect for startup founders launching MVPs, marketers using testing different campaigns, and also event organizer promoting webinars, newsletter writers growing email lists, or literally anyone who needs a landing page without touching code. So it's pretty good. Now, if you want other options or here are a few alternatives. So there is Webflow. So Webflow is a create a custom website thingy. So you have Webflow right here. It is a more manual control, great for designers actually. So you also have Framer. I kind of use this from time to time. So Framer, slick animation and quick launches. So this Framer right here. It's more of a Canva thing. So that's Framer right there. You also have Builder.io. So Builder.io is similar to Lovable. So it's visual editing plus dev-friendly components. And last but not the least, we have V0 by Verso. So V0 by Verso is pretty good. I like this too. So it's an AI powered UI built on Tailwind plus React, and also for what it's worth, I think Lovable is really really good. But for speed and simplicity, Lovable is tough to beat. So if you're looking for the fastest way to build a smart and beautiful landing page, Lovable.dev is a solid choice. It handles the heavy lifting, so you can stay focused and in your message and launch faster. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more AI tools and tutorials, and let me know in the comments what kind of landing page you're building next. So I'll catch you in the next one.